good morning, on a good afternoon, on a good evening, good day, regardless where you would join me right now on YouTube live stream. This na Coastal Capital with on JVAN FX. Alright, uh, so make una bear with me. Well, so I know starts the stream on the usual time, right? Yeah, for some reasons. So make una bear with me, Mona Noves. How na day? I will say, hopefully, una they do well for today, for this week. So far, the market's good small. Alright, so far, yen is strong, yen they pull the strings. Euro to New Zealand, the pop head up, dollar the ground so far. So I see for there. Which news we get today? Na Friday, weekend don't come. Time to come flex for the weekend after we don't work tired for during the whole week, right? Exactly. So what we get for here today Friday? Actually nothing much today Friday by okay. This one US dollar by 9:30 p.m. my time. Alright, and these ones. So this not be news we go shake market like that. I don't think it disrupt the market. But normally the market would do the usual stuff, right? Okay, what's be the drill? So far AUD card yeah, this now USD card, right? USD card buy. Hopefully the market itself for today, the market just move anyhow for here so far. And Euro JPY misbehave. Alright, so waiting with the drill, I say long, right? The market buy so far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here. You buy this one can come down and they push up again. So next week we'll look for sell, hopefully, hopefully, because consolidation and the market don't come this area too. So for this area now we'll look for sell. Anyhow, this one a bearish engulfing because he engulfed this candle, right? So bearish engulfing for key level because all the while we get dark cloud cover, make attempt to go up, still come down for this area. So it makes sense we could predict short for next week for this one. Alright, and this one too I say long for the week. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way from here. So we get sell candles 1, 2 we sell. This one buy, but not much. And now the market they try to put strings from down here. But we see if you go succeed. Right? We'll see if you go succeed. But this market get a CB. So hopefully the market will break out of the consolidation and the trend, our daily time frame. So the inner trends, the market the trend up. So if the consolidation will continue, the market will still come down. But if you know will continue, it will make sense. Make we see the market because back in time we get inside bars, right? We get inside bars here. See the support and the resistance for there. So the market don't successfully break and go up, and it come back, right? It retest now. We see. So for me, I would expect more buys too by next week, but the market dey crazy. If you do it in like smoke we trade according to what we see and according to our personal strategy. Alright, so this one AUD JPY, waiting be the drill I say long, right? But so far the market sell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here, right? They buy for these days, stay for here, consolidate inside bar, right? See the market create inside bar for here. Let me see. Oh boy. No easy. Alright, so boss, the lazy crypto portfolio. All right, yeah. So, this one now. Let me see. Daily time frame, eh? So, ah, oh boy. According to my strategy, the market don't kill this Fibonacci. Oh, caramba. Abi? No. Wait. Fibonacci is still there on board. Oh, the Fibonacci is still very on board, man. What are you saying, JVAN? Yeah, that's it. That's it. So I supposed to, yeah, I supposed to trade this market now because market don't crack, counter trend line don't break. Whoa, oh boy. Now here we have already entered this market since what time? I'm not gonna see how well for daily. Okay, man, just look my enter and I see the very fresh crown, market crown for me. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, let's go. All right, so this is now my trade setup based on my strategy. All right, so now take profit is going to be red goes to red. Perfect. Man, I do it like this because sometimes you know go hit the red, you go come reverse. Oh, God, put that for there, you go eat that, nothing that happen. I go hold on for brokers, nothing happen. Oh yeah. So this one was set like this, so I'm going to take this trade. So let me see, 35, right? Okay, 5k divided by 35. Whoa, 1.41. All right. So this one I trade where I could trade based according to my strategy. So daily, right? Daily. So where's the weekly time frame? Let me go for weekly. So the weekly 2 days set, eh? So for me, talking about high probability trades, this one would be a high probability trade for me. Why? Based on the market's inner trend, right? Because we get lower lows, lower lows. And then we get higher highs, short-term trend. Okay, short-term trend on the weekly. Alright, short-term trend on the weekly now up. So it makes sense after a high, a low must come. Now, showing at the low be this, I don't know. If not the low be this, market will go up. If not be the low, the market will still drop. Right? And what we see, what we get here. I define inside bars. Yeah. I define inside bars. So yeah, we get inside bar here. You see. Okay. Let me check the highs. 94, 832. 94, 843. So this one is higher than this one. So not be inside bar with this. What about you? 93,838, 93,866. Wow. So this one 93,883, 93,866. So this one is higher than this one with 3 pips. Where is the inside bar, man? But we check the number of this one. This one 93,554, 93,554, 93,54. This one low. So we get inside bar here back in time. Alright, like this. Right? So the market's scrubbing away to break out. So hopefully I will expect a retest to this level. Right? And that one will bring price down from the daily time frame all the way inside here. So eventually the goal now sell based on my own personal strategy. All right. Oops, shit. All right, so I will likely leave this one for weekly and on check. Oh boy, see noise. I'm not vessel. All right. Boss, where I am. Boss, I'm here. All right. So, according to my strategy, so now for you to be if you want to be a professional trader, you want to be a skillful trader, things where you supposed to they do. Like right now, for example, now me, the things where I did do, you know, like already I don't share with you now my weekly plan, right? And AUDJPY was long, right? So I supposed to sell, predict shorts and sell this market. But as it is right now, because I say long, I not go buy this market. Even if I say long, and the market will play out right now, like right now for my strategy. So I not go buy the market. But I know say this market don't set for me to sell based on my strategy. And waiting my strategy, the top my strategy say I need to sell original Fibonacci on the daily extension. Alright, extension leg. Like for example, we get this is extension, this is retracement, this is extension, this now retracement because the that market wave or market structure stay down, right? And the market don't retrace pretty well. Now it can't crown for here on the daily, right? So previously it make higher highs, right? It make higher lows, and for here it can make higher high, and it can make lower higher low, it can make lower high, it can make lower low, right? So as the market break this low here, so for me, counter trend line break, I suppose sell the market. Hopefully we will see this one happen. So waiting I could do, I'll just wait. Since it I predict the direction wrong, I go have to stay out. I don't get option. So by next week, hopefully, I will sell this market. Now, for me not to forget this, say I get to trade this market for here, I go write, I'll just to keep myself busy. I'll write down. All right. I will. All right. Okay, so this one I'll say like this. I'll take a sell position next week. Visibility, okay, only the daily. So I never forget, alright, according to my strategy. So that one like this now, you don't do ready. So I'll just watch out. So according to your strategy, so weekly, this guy I say short for the week, but so far the market buy, you know, agree sell. Now short I talk for the week, you know, agree sell. It just did buy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way from here. So I lost this one, and now it try to break out of this, this inside bar here. So every time any attempt to go up, it come down, but now heavily strong, right? So I think it don't retest this supply zone again. So hopefully maybe by next week we will see the drop. AUD USD short for the week, that was what I said, but unfortunately that's wrong. Short I said. So the market 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, from here. So the market buy for 2 days and it said it sell here, buy for 2 days, it sell here, and now it don't buy again. So maybe the market will move sideways or this candle will still close bearish. I don't know. Actually, I'd expect the market to retest this level, and now I don't come there. But right now, it be like, of course, as we can see, so dollar day weak. Maybe you could gather strength later or come push, But right now, it fall like, only got 9 way to make out the fall, but so far, dollar they drop. So Where is the chart? Okay, right here. So this now waiting we get so far. So by next week, waiting we will talk about by next week. Next week, we get inside bar here. The market said they move sideways, and the shorter trend of the weekly are up as we see the orange one, right? But we don't forget, very, very, very important, the monthly candle. Alright, very, very important. Last month, bearish engulfing, and now this one they push up. Maybe this one will still go up. You don't know. Maybe it will sell later in the future, but I stand with sell because even the short term trend here now down a day, right? Yep. So hopefully by next week, I guess I will still predict short from the lookout of the way things be. Alright. Card CHF, waiting with the drill. The drill now buy. But so far the market it come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way from here. So oh my god, this is not good. But it's okay. We get inside bar here. This level now na support area as it be. We get pricing candlestick pattern. The market come back to retest just as the market create this beautiful move. Yes, come down to retest. Hopefully by next week I still day on the long side. Only if this market won't consolidate, then it will still come down back here again. And for the lookout of things, it be like you say the consolidation, it is very, very, very active. Monthly candle, market buy you can reject for here. So that means the sell still did very strong than the buy, right? Hopefully, yeah, still did very strong than the buy. And card JPY waiting with the drill from me. Weekly plan open now. Card JPY, right? Long, CHF JPY, long, but that card JPY, the market drop. I felt like I did see consolidation, right? Buy, sell, and buy. But unfortunately for me, the market reversed from here after this beautiful breakout, retest this level, and cancel. Right now, the market creates inside bar here, as you see for here too. So inside bars, and now today the market it attempt to break and go out. Yesterday, see that beautiful fall. All of a sudden, the market push and go back. So the only way to sell this market beautifully, like really, really sell out beautifully now, to wait make this candle close below this area here. If this candle close like this, you don't want to miss the sell. If the sellers ready at the time to push price go down, believe you me, you don't want to miss that sell. You don't want to miss them at all because it will sell, right? All right. On the weekly time frame, on the other hand, the short-term trend are up, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So after a high, a low must come. So if not the low they come to, well, the market will sell either way. And on the monthly time frame, the short-term trend they down. So the bearish candle on the monthly time frame be heavily strong for key level of support. Well, as we see for here, so it is strong. Today now on the 15th. Wow. On the 15th of this month, market already come reach here. Maybe be careful because it be like say Japan won't come all in. If they come all in with the big guys then for the market, they will sell this market will drop. And my own projection on the monthly time frame will be this level. Yeah, this level. Then we'll push price come down to this level, hopefully, right? Back to the weekly again. Yeah, I look this area not to stop the market. I look this area precisely, yeah, from here to this level. Now yeah, I look with that. All right, CHF JPY, I said long, and the market consolidation, the buy. It's gonna come down. We'll see. We think will happen. Now the weekly with this. Hopefully next week. So if this market close bearish like this, just like this market will continue to drop. Benny, it will continue to it will continue to drop. Candlestick pattern, hanging man. This particular one. Previously we get bearish engulfing, we get hanging man, this single candle. So the psychology behind that, once this candle, the next candle or the next session candle close below RAM, na signal for sell. Or in the opposite direction, a signal for buy. Alright. Although we know say the bigger trend are up, right? Market dey for monthly resistance band area. Monthly resistance band area. So I expect sell for even next week. And then we get inside bar here, and the market they move sideways here. So yesterday candle, look at this. Wow. So hopefully if the market go still drop, it go still drop. But if you go buy, because previously, you know, I think we don't finish for this inside bar area here back in time. If not, I would expect a retest for this level before the market go down. Although maybe if it still happen like that, well, we will see. But on the long run, I still there on the sell side. The market come up, I sell. The market come up, I sell. The market come up, I sell. So according to your strategy, you want to trade wisely. Alright. Euro AUD, waiting be the drill. Euro AUD and Euro card, I said short, right? Yes, short. Unfortunately, the market no short nothing. You know, after the breakout here, like inside bar, right? So this one breakout on the beginning of this month, on Friday, last month, the market go up like this and come down. So I'd expect the market to continue to drop, right? To this consolidation, hopefully consolidation. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the market come back up again. So next week I going to predict short. Believe you me, either you like it or not, from waiting I see here on the daily, I will predict short. And we get inside bar too for here too. Right? Exactly. We get inside bar here and we get slight breakout. A very slight breakout there. Right here. See how? And the market retest come to buy again. So by next week I'd expect the market to drop. But if the buy will continue, then it will continue to the buy with that. It will come down. It will just the buy. Monthly candle, what we see. There's a possibility to make this market continue to buy. Market structure, short-term trend of the monthly up. The candle dey bullish. Heavily bullish. Not that heavy like that, but it's not bullish movement with the CISO. So I would expect more buys on this one instead of the market coming all the way down here. That means for me, like the consolidation will go work out, or the market will come all the way out here, come down. So like I talk, if the consolidation will continue, the market will still come down here. But if you don't go continue, it will break out. So depending on how this market will close today, I will get a bit of idea how the market will move next week, right? No, the 4-hour time frame, the market already the trend up, so we get higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher highs here. So it's on a high, it's on a low, and it's on a high. If for any reason the markets break this low, even if not consolidation, we will see the market drop. For any reason, in my own personal humble opinion, right? Yeah. So let's watch out. This one, Euro card, I say short, but the market they buy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way from here. So short-term trend up, we get supply here. So the market, from here, right now they break out of the supply, they go up gradually, right? Gradually. So I think very soon the market will break out of that supply all the way up. And if you close body candle above that supply area, that is this one here, like this, now buy, we expect to see the market to buy more. Now, before the market go buy, I go expect a retracement. So previously we get inside bars here, we get inside bar for here, no breakout yet, and the market create another one here, inside bar. So if by today, this week, the market close body candle above here, then hopefully next week we'll see maybe a slight pullback, market will continue to buy, or we will see bearish engulfing, we will come down to reverse that movement. Honestly, now wetin I go like see be that. Why? Because on the 4-hour time frame, we'd expect the green one, right? Extension leg. So after a high, a low must come. But previously, the market make bearish engulfing. Sorry, not bearish engulfing. The market make first extension leg down, upcoming that market with first extension leg, the red one right here. And for whatsoever reason, the market make high inner trends. This yellow one, inner trends. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and bam, you break this high. So this high right here, right now, no dey valid anymore as it be so. So we get first extension leg high. Now, at this level of key level of resistance area, the market reach here, wetin happen? It sell. Now it only go up gradually again. So hopefully we will see double top, alright, price chart pattern, and hopefully the market will drop, right? Probably towards this level. You will retrace towards this level before we will see further buys in the future. So for me, if the market will sell, well, previously we get inside bar for here like this, and this market test down twice, so maybe the market will still come down here before it will go up. Alright, so now wetin I go watch out for be that. But I not go like see this low break, this inner trend low. Right? I not go like see a break. But who knows? The market fit break up, come all the way down here. Because we get beautiful demand zone back in time right here. So I would like to, buy the market for this level. It would make sense for me to buy the market for me to go up. So I don't know about you. So just trade accordingly, trade wisely. Alright. May I leave this thing here. Only for 4-hour time frame. Then we see if the market will react to it. So alright, so far now waiting I get with that. I expect a pullback. Okay, extension. So this one too, daily market with the green one, the extension leg. So if the market will continue to buy, it will continue to buy. So now, for example, now as the market did like this, so now short I predict, right, and the market is sell. So if I want to buy this market here now, for example, I have to risk less. So speaking about risk management, so if for example I suppose risk 1% of my capital, right? I don't feel risk 1% for this place because I know say after a high, a low must come. This is the market structure, first leg, right? Yeah. So even if I want to buy this market, because I don't know if the market at this level will begin retrace, because this is not the daily market wave. The market will still go up for some days. Even for next week, the market will decide to buy throughout next week for whatsoever reason, right? So if at all I say, oh, now extreme high on the 4-hour time frame, now it is extreme high, right? If I want to buy the market like this, I have to risk less. Sorry, this is not 1 hour. So if I want to buy the market now, this is not counter trend line break. I feel buy the market here, right? Buy the market here. Now I will risk 0.25% of my capital, or even quarter of my capital. Alright. So waiting I will come to buy. So if I want to buy bullish candlestick pattern, no bullish candlestick pattern for here. If I buy bullish candlestick pattern, I have to put my stop loss. And if I put my stop loss here, what's the market going to decide to come to sell? It will take me out. It don't make sense. This one are even very high risk trade. I don't feel even trade themselves. So maybe I just even not talk much about that. All I know is I would like to see the market come down here. So we get another, we get, I forget, this people, they don't change this thing. Yeah, maybe this. So I would like to see the market come down, like pretty good, somewhere around here. Visibility. Alright. I'd like to see the market come down here. This place is not a good place. We get inefficiency for here. We get demand area here. So me, I would expect to see price come somewhere here. Alright, I will buy for here. And for any reason, if the market come down here too again, I could buy for here. Right? So all this area and area way will make more sense to buy the market from than to buy the market from here. Right? So I'll just stay out. Or better still, I like to see make the market make a new high, then come down, come make new low. So if the market go make new high, for example, and come down, make new low, I would like sell retracement, I like sell retracement to this area here. Now what I would like to do. So for now, I will stay out. Alright. And UCH, what we to do? UCH of now. I say long stay out for the weekend. So the market no long like I expect, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here. So the market buy, sell, consolidation, sell, and now it buy. So if this market close bullish for me, that means the analysis based on the direction is a winner. Alright, so we will see how this one will play out. Hopefully for next week, we will make decision during the weekend. Euro GBP, what did we do? Euro GBP, I said short. Shade the market short. Euro GBP short. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. The market sell. So we get, wow. See this beautiful crown. The market crown, The market gonna sell. Alright, 4-hour time frame. So far, short-term trend is still up for me. Yep. The green one, still the market wave. Alright, still the green one. Not this orange one. This orange one is not the market wave. This orange one is the short-term trend. We have higher highs, higher low, market retrace, and then we have higher high. This is the inner trend. Okay. From here we get inner trend, higher high here, higher lows, and higher high here, higher lows, and then we get higher high. Inner trends, make it tiny, and this color, right? So this calls for this sell and this sell. So as it be like this right now, so me I will look for opportunity to buy, but I say short for the week and the market sell, so I will stay out until next week hopefully. And as I see for now, so the market don't break trend line, right? But I'm not going to enter the market even as it break trend line. I would like to wait see the market do it. I like to see the market as it go up like this, so break this high. Alright, break this high here, come retrace, then I'll buy, go up. Now waiting I go like see the market do. This high must break first, because this high no break, this market fit still dey drop small, gradually. So I'll stay out for now. This guy, you don't want drop. This ego will follow you and the drag. I don't understand. Wow. But anyway, waiting with the drill. Ego JPY, I say short. From Ego JPY to Ego USD shorts. right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here out. Not good. Maybe not consolidation. It won't move sideways here, but long term this market supports sell based on monthly balance areas. All right, based on monthly balance, even based on consolidation, as you can see for here. So we get support. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4. So now the market supposed to fall down, like fall like a mango tree, come down here. And on the daily, we get market structure, the red one. All right, we get extension, and this now hopefully short term trend, the orange one. All right, higher highs, higher highs, right here. So short term inner trends. All right, so if we go by on the daily, may I just do like this short term inner trends. So we get highs for here, we get low here, and we get high here, we get low for here, we get high. All right, and color this one, right? Then the market make inner trend, so the market make lower low here right now. So if your market go change trend, those inner trend are early signals. Those inner trends now early signals say the market won't change the trend direction of the previous trend. So now them you go first see for inside the market, and then go first create, bring out their head, and now the market goes soon sell, for my own humble opinion. So after this movement here on the smaller time frame, right? So the market make higher highs, higher low, higher high, and then we get lower low right now on the smaller time frame. This daily chart, if you go check the 1 hour time frame, if you check the 5 minute, you will see market structure don't change right now. Hopefully on the on the 5 minute chart, if you check your chart from your side, this now extension, and this now retracement. Now with this move can't happen like this now, so hopefully I will expect market will just go down. I see also. So for me, I will still predict short for this market next week. Yeah. So monthly time frame, we must not forget monthly time frame candle always. So monthly time frame candle no be strong, heavily bullish candle, right? Yeah. Errado, ha 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 ha. Bon dia, errado, bon dia, bon dia, bon dia. Okay, that's Errado. Yeah, that's one of the senior analysts and traders for Costa Capital. Mona hail Errado for me. To the bomb, Errado. Come on, você está? Alright, so we continue. So if this market, anyway, the one still there on, but if this candle close like this for any reason, this market close like this now it will be inside bar candlestick pattern for a key level of resistance. After this nice rejection, this one can't do like this here, man. Probably we'll see first breakout. That is, if this market close like this for this month, for example, we'll see first breakout, right? Then market will come down back. Then eventually, hopefully, we'll see the sell. We don't know if Bank of Japan still won't stay on the. Okay, all right, Rado. Okay, got you. Tá bom. So by 9, Errado will come live with his analysis with Portuguese to the Brazilians. Alright. So Errado they do analysis with Portuguese for Brazilians. Alright, Errado. Tá bom. Okay, now that one I just speculation for my side. Weekly time frame, waiting the candle do here. So we already get inside bar here, bearish engulfing, dark cloud cover, key level of monthly resistance pivot point area, resistance band consolidation area on the weekly time frame, and we have inside bar here. All right. So when I talk about dark line cover, only this candle and this now form the dark line cover. So this market from here gap go up, right? Then it can begin to send a dark line cover, right? Then this one too come close inside this candle body, bearish. For me, this now bearish inside bar candlestick pattern. All right, because of where the market for close. So this market, this now strong, one of the strongest reversal patterns. These two like this. All right. So if this candle close doji style like this for this week, for me, simple. I'll just go for smaller time frame. All right. From the smaller time frame, I'm going to look for inside bars, inside bar where they break, go down, go indicate to me say this market it will begin the fall from the higher time frame. But if you break the inside bar, if you create inside bar from the smaller time frame and they break and go up successfully, it means say the market goes still the bar. Now the psychology where they behind inside bars with that. If the market can't even break and go up and we don't see a bearish engulfing will reverse the pattern, come down back, more buys. And if the market break the inside bar on the smaller time frame, go down, and we don't see a bullish engulfing will reverse and go up back, then the sell they active, so the market will continue to sell. All right, so this now waiting. I don't see over time, right? They play out, and I don't show now examples of all right situations like that many times, right? So I will be on the sell side on this one even by next week. All right, the Euro NZD is short for the week. Anyways, market buy. I say short, the market buy. The trend now up. I'm not supposed to predict short. I'm supposed to predict long, right? Yeah. So like I say, for whatever reason, last week I don't do my analysis properly for some reasons, right? So hopefully we will do well this coming week. All right. Okay. This one too I say short, but the market they buy. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from down here, right? The market buy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here. It sell, it buy, it sell, and now it buy. All right. So dollar day week, dollar day week. So on the 4 hour time frame, the market structure, the red one now down. Short-term trend, the black one now down. Inner trend right now. Okay, inner trends here make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher high. Inner trend. 4 hour time frame. For here. So as it be now, so if this market will sell for me, I would like to see the market either break this low or go up, kiss supply area, come down, break this low here, then I will expect to see market drop. All right, but since the chairman dollar day week, we fit continue to see more buys to the upside against the dollar right here. All right, so for next week, may I just watch and see how this candle will close, because right now the market they donate plenty, inside bar here, this one right now, and this all this ones now will be all right inside bars for next week. So the same thing, I will go for smaller time frame. I will look for inside bars and see where the market they break to, up or down. It will give me also a clue how to make my decision for next week. All right. GBP AUD. What will be the drill? GBP AUD, GBP AUD, GBP AUD. Long GBP card short. I said long. GBP AUD long. Wow, the market buy. Shall see that beautiful weekly candle right there. Right? Whoa. So the market don't make short-term inner trends, alright? Yellow. So after a high, yellow must come, right? So it will make sense. Maybe predict short, hopefully next week. Should we? Well, still long for the week. Next week, nothing they come down. What if the monthly candle? The monthly candle they really bullish. You're not supposed to be here. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Still a buy. Short-term trend, market structure, everything up, up, up. Buy, 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 buy. And this one I said short. But I doubt the market short. The market buy. Mistake. Yeah, mistake. Not supposed to buy. So the market buy beautifully. So if you buy this market, hallelujah. That means your eye they very open and sharp and smart, and finally you don't make money for this market. So next week in this market, the market don't do alright. Higher high. So after a high, after the market break this slower high here, inner trend on the daily. This is not inner trend, not be the original short-term trend. Short-term trend with the market structure are the same, right? The market wave come down here and then extension. So this is retracement extension, short-term trend, higher highs, higher lows, higher high. Alright. So all these now inner trends, now you see so inner trends. Right? So we get supply for this level, the market don't kiss supply for here. Waiting gonna happen next. We expect a pullback, right? We expect a pullback, but we have to be very careful. So anyways, next week I'd expect pullback. So next week will still, instead of still long, next week will still go short. So this week I suppose to predict long, then next week predict short. So for what I see here, so hopefully next week we'll predict short, very small. Monthly time frame candle. Woo! Check this guy. Now under probability concept, I will predict that short next week, but we'll see. Then GBP CHF and GBJPY long shots. Yeah, GBCHF buy, as you can see, still next week still the same thing, buy. Yeah, buy consolidation, the market will buy. And this one I say short, but the market buy. You know, give one sell. Hey, wow. Weekly time frame consolidation, GBCHF. So we get support 1, 2, 3, 4. So price action here. So I expect sell. Hopefully next week now we will see that sell. But more check monthly candle as usual. Oops, the market actually don't sell. I come back, go up again. So the sell for this market, it get as it go be. Predicting short for this market. Now, inner trend, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, higher high right now. Inner trends. So speaking about inner trends. So the market here don't make higher high right now, as we see for here. We don't get higher high. Weekly, daily, right? Yeah, perfect. So the market don't break this high, right? So we get our short-term trend will go like this now, highs. So we get a retracement, and after the retracement, the market buy, and we expect a little pushback and continue to buy. So buying this market will be very critical. So I will predict long for the week still. This market will go long for the week. Even if I predict my prediction for short this week no work. JPY, stay up. And GBP NZD and GBP. So this GBP USD no work out properly when the market buy. Then GBP NZD, I think GBP NZD buy. GBP NZD buy long for the week, yes. And the monthly time frame candle. Wow, you can't stay back buying this candle, man. Market structure, short-term trend up. Weekly time frame last week up, consolidation, breaking out of consolidation. So next week I'll be expecting more buys. Yes, maybe the market will come retrace. So what we see waiting happen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way from here, and we get inside bar here, and breakout. So I expect a retest, but that one will be only one candle. So waiting gonna happen. For me, I would like to see sell first, then buy. All right. So anything can happen. So let's stay like this. So this is a breakout of the consolidation. I expect a retest. So speaking about inner trend, so the market make lower low for here, right? Yeah, the market make lower low, and then it can't change direction. It can't make higher highs and higher lows here, as you can see. And no, yeah, high like this. Daily time frame. All right, here we go. So like this. So the market can begin the trend of inner trends, right? So by next week, I will expect a pushback. Now, if the market will push back next week, how fast or how slow it will be? If you go slow, where the market will just stay on sell throughout next week, right? But looking at the trend, we know the trade candlestick patterns because the trend is stronger than the candlestick pattern, so we'll follow with the trends, right? So for me, next week I will see the predict buy because even the monthly candle, wow, 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 wow. So still buy for me next week. This one I say short, the market buy anyways. Bullish monthly, heavily strong, and bullish engulfing. The trend was up, so this one I buy. Actually, that mistake come from me for whatever reason. So you see the market buy nicely, GBSE make tons of money. For some of them, I will buy am. Congratulations for you guys. And I will flex for this weekend. No time. Alright, so buy. Even next week, still buy, keep buying, but risk less on the 4 hour time frame because already we get the first extension leg on the 4 hour time frame. Previously, we have extension, retracement extension, and now we have extension. So after it had, the low must come. So be careful. Alright, still long for me for the week. Still long, no time. Even if a low will come, when it will come, but so far, long, the yellow one, right? So for me, that's retracement never ready yet because I still want to see one more highs, right? One more highs, then break this low here, then retrace, alright? Now it's not expect to see be that we get beautiful demand right here. Wait, if it no come down here, market will not come down here, and then this Fibonacci here, they tell me, they show me key levels where market go retrace to. All right, here, and here, hopefully including this area in the future. All right, NZD card, wait till we drill. NZD card long, NZD CHF. What? NZD CHF short. Whoa. So NZD card long. That one no happen at all. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here. I say long. The market buy, it can't sell. So this one I put me down, consolidation. Yeah, and consolidation 1, 2, 3, 4. Long term, the market is supposed to go up. Next week I will still predict long. The market just misbehave for here. And we get inside back here, back in time here. So this one break out, this one push and back, bullish engulfing here, right? And then we are here. So no inside bars here for now, but still long for the week for me. This market, I receive bearish pressure from this. Still long next week, and this one I said, what will be the drill for this one? I don't forget. NZD CHF short, NZD JPY long. NZD JPY long. Mistake. A banner mistake. This one I said long, but the market sell. It sell, right? And NZD JPY, I said NZD JPY, I said long too. Okay. NZD CHF, I said short. Okay, that one sell. And this one I say long, but right now it is sell. Right? So next week, this is according to my strategy. I trade this market this morning. No, last night I guess. Yeah, according to my strategy last night before I sleep. Waiting for and this is me going against my weekly plan because I say long, I can't seller. Because I want to read my strategy. I go sell am. Even the other one where I say I go wait, I go still sell am today. I say according to my strategy. Next week na short, so I go train my strategy. I have time to train my strategy. Even if I will go against my weekly plan, no problem. There's no right or wrong. And waiting for bearish candlestick pattern signal already don't happen, so okay, delete this one. Alright, so short, even next week. Next week, sell. Bearish engulfing candlestick signal, key level of support. So this is alright, this is lower and this is not lower. So we have short-term trend, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, right? Then the market going to do inner trends high, inner trend low, and inner trend high. So after high, a low must come. Okay, weekly time frame. Alright, so I expect market to sell even by next week too. And NZD USD waiting the drill. NZD USD, I said short, and all the USD card pairs I said long. Okay, so this one I say short. So how far the market sell actually? First buy. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here. You buy for 2 days, you sell, and now a day here. We'll see what's gonna happen. Next week for me, this market is still short for me. And dollar index short. Like I said, see now I talk with that. Dollar index short. Now waiting I talk actually. So weekly time frame, waiting with the candle. First buy, call the sell. Hallelujah. And zag. Waiting by drill about this market. I don't actually write them out. Hopefully maybe next week I will begin to add them joiner for my watch list for here. But for now I know they there. And short, the market sell. Now I did for here. Right? So how it will be next week? Next week we see buys. Next week buys. This one I say long. Alpha 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The market still the buy, and now they here USD card long. I need to buy this. Okay, I don't, based on my strategy, I don't take this trade already. Alright, used to I say long. Alpha 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here. Long market sell. Crazy, eh? This one too long, but the market sell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here. So my bad on this one, so I get many losses on this place. Lastly, and second to the last, Bitcoin for you guys, Bitcoin lovers. So I mean gold. So the drill for gold now buy, right? But this market put us down on Monday. This market put us down right here, and so far we don't do here so far. So that analysis for gold not pure. Anyways, at this level right now, I expect buys for next week. Why? We get the inside bar already, breakouts, retest. So market will form double bottom for here. Hopefully then we'll see market go up hopefully for next week. That's my own drill. Gold, I mean Bitcoin. So I said Bitcoin buy, Bitcoin actually buy, but you see this crazy market yesterday. Nah, you know fair. But anyways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from here. We get 1 sell, 2 sell, 2 buys. How this candle will close today will determine if the winning will come in, because we get inside bar for here back in time, and we get that breakout and retest. So I expect them to go up more, right? I expect them to go up more from here. So where that consolidation it could be, because the drill was Bitcoin long. So maybe one can consolidate, we'll see. Alright. Okay. Hopefully next week we'll talk about SP 500, we'll talk about Ethereum, we'll talk about Nasdaq, and we'll talk about US30. We'll also talk about Litecoin. Alright. Litecoin BTC, Ethereum BTC, and what's this? Ethereum USDT. Alright, we'll talk about all of this next week. So we're gonna get ourselves ready on a long ride next week. Okay, like I always say, this stream no be investment stream advice, okay? Oh, so tired. All right, listen up, listen up. Good news, like I always say. The firm where I work with, Coastal Capital, they look for traders. Okay, traders with skills, traders that are determined, traders that are disciplined, with well documented strategy, written in paper, black and white, no subject to interpretation, with rules that they abide to. Okay, if you are a professional trader and you are looking to work with investment funds, companies, all right, reach out to I forget to show now. Okay, you have to reach out to me, all right. If you don't want to reach out to me, no problem. But if you reach out to my boss, okay, the manager, my boss, okay, Mike, the boss. Where that email they okay, I won't bring out in email so that you guys can see this email. Okay, okay, not you. Image. Okay, so that if you follow my boss, you guys can reach my boss direct through email. Okay, here we go. So we're in email for yourself. Now be this. Alright. So Siam, MikeFXBoss@gmail.com. Alright. So you can speak to the manager direct. You don't have to talk to me, you can speak to the manager direct. But if you want to reach out to me, my email is jvanfx25@gmail.com. JVAN, JVAN fx25@gmail.com. Or you want to reach out with my boss, this is his email. Send him an email and he will let you know what you need to know. Alright, my humble traders for Nigeria, thank you very much for your time, on a precious time when I devote take the join my stream. I really appreciate you now. Alright, so wasting no much time, hopefully we can prepare before next week. When I prepare on a chart, prepare on a weekly plan for a weekend so that we will take advantage of the market instead of the market taking advantage of us. This is Coastal Capital, and with our junior analyst right here on Coastal Capital here on YouTube. It's JVAN FX.